Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Alvaro, and today we're diving into the handy tool called VFax. So let's break down what is and why you might want to use VFax. So what exactly is VFax? VFax is short for virtual fax. It's a cloud-based solution for sending and receiving faxes without needing a traditional fax machine. Unlike old school fax machines that use phone lines and papers, VFax operates over the internet. This simply means that you can send and receive faxes right from your computer or smartphone. And here's why VFax might be a game changer for you. No hardware required. You don't need to buy bulky fax machines and paper jams. All you need is internet connection. Convenience. You can send and receive faxes from anywhere, anytime. It is perfect for remote work or on-the-go professionals. Collaboration. Since incoming faxes come straight to your inbox as a PDF, it's super easy to share them with coworkers and customers. Cost-effective. You can save money on paper, ink, and phone lines. VFax often comes with a subscription plan that are way more affordable. Enhanced security. VFax services typically offer encryption to keep your documents safe from prying eyes. Using VFax is easy. You simply upload your document to VFax platform, enter the recipient's fax number, and hit send. You can even track the status of your fax to ensure it's been delivered. So if you want to know how you can start using VFax for your business, visit our website and talk to our team who will help you throughout the whole process.
To learn more about how your business can save time and money by switching to VFax, go to actionco.com or call this number. For more in-depth overview of Action's VFax solution, click on the pop-up or visit the link in the video description.